Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to insert PDF and Google Spreadsheet. So guys, open your Google Spreadsheet, Google here as you can see here. And after that guys, what you have to do, open this one and click on the blank and spreadsheet as you can see here and write here something. For example, listen, listen, listen tracker as you can see here guys, and here right here topic for example guys, and right here a time for example, and write daily for example. And what you have to do guys, you open your Google and open your Google as you can see here guys. And after that guys, what you have to do, open Drive. From Drive, what you have to do guys, click on new and click upload file here and upload your PDF. And what you have to do guys, when you upload your PDF, copy the PDF link as you can see here. For example, this one, just click on copy link as you can see here, and right here paste. And after that, what you have to do guys, click this one, click with this one as you can see here, and click edit and click weekly as you can see here guys. Click weekly as you can see here guys, and click apply. This is how you can do upload a PDF and this Google Spreadsheet. I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon.